So initially, I sustained an injury in the gym, and all it took was a couple Google reviews of this clinic to know that this is the place that I wanted to be here at Kent Chiro. My initial treatment went fantastic. One of the things was acupuncture and cupping, which also with some workouts and stretches to take care of issues that I was having with my back, really helped me, bounce back and continue my wellness journey at the gym. So if anybody's thinking about coming to Kent Chiro, I would recommend it highly. Courtney is a fantastic practitioner here at Kent Chiro. I recommend her highly.